The best trauma kit you can have is the one that's on your body or the one that's closest to you. This is the Dark Angel Medical EDC, or Everyday Carry Trauma Kit. This kit, coupled with the tourniquet, which can be a cat or a soft T, and a pair of mini trauma shears, is a very capable 12-ounce trauma kit. It might be very small, but it's extremely capable because it has a lot of features and more components than you would think it could have. In addition to the tourniquet and the trauma shears, you can pull your pull tab here, pull out the vacuum sealed insert, and inside there we have a full 12-foot roll of hemostatic bandage. We have a mini compression bandage, and we have 2 hyphen compact vented chest seals along with a pair of nitrile gloves. So this is part of Pocket Doc's top 5. We've got tourniquet, 12 feet of hemostatic gauze, we've got a mini compression bandage, we've got a pair of nitrile gloves, and we've got a pair of vented chest seals. So all in all, a very capable kit and a very small package. Head over to Dark Angel Medical, check out our EDC kit, get a kit, get trained, and be the difference.